Hello folks, it's April 20th, 2018, and we're here with a 1977 N model Skyhawk wing. It's the right wing, and we're going to be doing some mods to this. This will be part one of several series for the wings. Such a beautiful day, I thought I would do this outside. We're going to be putting a long-range tank system in. This tank holds 20 gallons for a total of 40, but we have the 180 horse engine. And so it's not long enough range, especially if you're going to be flying IFR and doing some longer trips like my wife and I would like to do. So we're going to go with the Del Air conversion. There was a couple. There was the Flint tip tanks, and then there was the Del Air mod. So Del Air is going to be building us a tank. We're going to send our tank off, and they're going to add 15 gallons. They have a 7-gallon and a 15-gallon. I think it's a 7.5 and a 15-gallon per side. So we're going to add 30 gallons to the original 40 gallons. So we'll have 70 gallons of fuel on board. I know that's a lot, but it is an option. And then we're going to put a new cuff leading edge on from Del Air, and I mean from Steen Aviation. And I've talked to them. It's a Sportsman Stoll kit, and you can look that up. But we'll be putting that on, and I'll be doing a series on that also. Right now we're going to be taking this tank out. These screws are sometimes incredibly hard. They get up on, they're on top where all the weather is, and a lot of times people have switched them to stainless steel. So if you break, it's difficult to break one off. But if you were to break one off, then you really have a problem. And then the nut plates underneath, they get rusted. We may be replacing some nut plates, but let's see how these start to come out, and we'll get this tank off. We'll see what condition the fuel tank is in. All right. I'm going to use my trusty Craftsman, what is this, Bosch. See how we go.